Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your English class. Today, in Chapter 4, Pronouns, we will be doing types of pronouns. But before that, let us recall what is a pronoun and why do we need a pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of noun in a sentence. And you all know that noun is a name of a person, place, thing, or an idea. And why do we need pronoun in English? Yes, students, we all need pronoun so as to avoid the repetitions, to make the sentences shorter, and to improve our writing skills. So let us discuss types of pronouns. There are 8 types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. Here we will not be discussing about personal pronoun as it is not included in your chapter. So let us start with possessive pronouns. Students, the word possessive comes from the word possession, and the word possession means ownership. So, the words which shows the ownership of a noun are known as pronouns. So, let us look at few examples of possessive pronouns. Words such as my, your, our, his, her, its, their. They all are called possessive pronouns because they show the possession or ownership of a noun. For example, that is my cat. So whose cat it is? It is my cat. So the word my shows the ownership of cat. Now next sentence is that your house? So over here the word your shows the possession of the house. Now next is interrogative pronoun. You all know that the word interrogative means questions. So the words like who, whom, what, which, whose are used to frame questions. They function as pronouns. These are called interrogative pronouns. And interrogative pronouns takes the place of a noun in a question. For example, what time will you arrive? Who is she talking to? Next is reflexive pronoun. Sometimes the subject and the object of the sentence are same. So words such as myself, yourself, ourself, himself, herself, itself, yourself, themselves are reflexive pronouns, and they help us to refer back to the subject when the subject is also the object of the sentences. For example, I want to buy myself a new car. He poured himself a drink. Next is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are used for specific nouns. For example, specific person, place, or an object. Words such as this, these, those, that are the examples of demonstrative pronoun. This and these are used for people or objects that are nearby. That and those are used for people or objects that are at distance. For example, those shoes look great. So here the demonstrative pronoun those refers that the shoes are at a distance. Second example, these apples are red. So here the demonstrative pronoun these refers that the apples are somewhere near to us. Next is indefinite pronouns. Indefinite word itself tells us that we are not sure about something. So, indefinite pronouns are used to show unspecified people or objects. These pronouns do not tell us which noun they replace. They can be singular or plural. Words such as everyone, somebody, all, nobody, anything, few, many, something, anybody are all used in place of nouns and are called indefinite pronouns. For example, there is someone at the door. So the word someone is indefinite pronoun and it tells us that we are not aware or we do not know who is standing at the door. But we know that there is somebody. Next example, everybody was looking at the goalkeeper. So in everybody it can be men, women, children or anyone. So we are not sure about exactly who was looking at goalkeeper. So there were many people, they all were looking at the goalkeeper. Now comes relative pronouns. Pronouns that relate a word or a group of words to a noun or pronoun in a sentence are called relative pronouns. They are used to connect a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun, or at times they are used to join two or more sentences also. Some relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, where, when, why, what. Now you must be thinking that all these words belong to WH family and they are used to frame the questions. So they are interrogative pronouns? No. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. But relative pronouns are used to connect the clause or phrase to a noun or a pronoun and to join two or more sentences also. For example, I don't know which hat to buy. So there are many hats and now you are confused that which particular hat you have to buy. So you are connecting from many hats to one hat that you want to buy. Next is, I didn't hear what you said. So now specifically you are pointing out to the words what was said by you. So which I was not able to hear. So it shows the connection. I didn't hear, you said. So what you said was not audible to me. I hope all the kinds of pronouns are clear to you all. Thank you and have a nice day.